Hello pretty people, I hope you have all been well. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to makeup look for the springtime. This is my first voiceover, so hopefully it's not too awkward, but anyways, yeah, let's begin. So the first thing I do after I moisturize my face and put on sunscreen is prime. This is the NYX Angel Veil. I've heard a lot of good things about this and so far I really like it. So here I am doing the most, going in and filling in my eyebrows. This always takes me forever. It takes me the longest to fill in my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna go in and prime my eyes before eyeshadow. This is from Lorac. Blend that in. And then I'm gonna grab my bronzer and actually use this as a base color for my eyelids. And then I'm going to use an orange color from this Kat Von D palette that I got for like $5 at Marshall's. Like, yes. I'm going to be packing that over the bronzer that I put on. And then I'm going to wipe my brush off somewhere because I have no other brush right now. And oh, yeah, I forgot to moisturize my lips, so make sure you do that too. And then we're going to go back into eyeshadow. And then I'm taking my clean-ish brush and I'm going to be blending out any harsh lines before we move on to any more eyeshadow. Go in with the same palette, grab that dark brown, and then I'm going to start working that into my outer corner. Just kind of making it more sultry and sexy, I guess. And yeah, don't forget your lower lash line as well. And then you're just going to blend, my friend. I'm going to go back in with the bronzer as well and then use that as a blending color to make sure that the orange and the brown go together really well. And then I'm going to go back with the orange and put that on top of my lid again to make sure that it shows. And that's literally it. The eyes are like almost done. Go back to my face now. I'm going to use this Illuminating moisturizer as well as this Ordinary foundation. Just use like a little bit of each and then mix them together. And then I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush and put it all over my face. And then the next step is so important, you guys. You have to curl your eyelashes. This curler is from Revlon. Thank you, Sammy, for getting this for me, by the way. Love you so much. This mascara, you need to like go get this because it's really, really good, especially if you have short Asian lashes like I do. This is the waterproof formula. It's the Maybelline Lash Sensational. And it's only like $6, so like why wouldn't you get it? I've been really digging the no eyeliner look, so I'm just really focusing on my lashes. I also like to layer on top the Tarte Lights Camera Flash Mascara. It's the purple tube. I'm going to be fixing whatever mistakes I made and then retouching up whatever eyeshadow there is. There's a lot of steps to this makeup look, but usually it takes me like not even 10 minutes. And usually I'll go into some powder. This is from L'Oreal. It also works really great for oily skin. Just put that all over your face. And then I'm going to go in and try to contour. And whoa, that was a lot. Okay, that was also a lot. Make sure you blend it out really, really good because you don't want any harsh lines or any of that. That's not what we're going for. Then I'm going to contour my nose kinda and go into some blush. I usually like to mix these two colors together. So pretty. And this really, really sad highlighter that has broken so many times. I'm still using it, but it's from Becca. I'm going to use that to highlight. And yeah, look at that glow. Nice. Okay, time for lips. Today I'm going to be using this NYX liquid lipstick in Push Up all over my lips. And then I'm also going to go in with the Maybelline Superstay liquid lipstick. And I'm going to put that on the outer corners because I'm feeling a little extra today. And yeah, blend that in. Then the last thing I do is I'm going to use this Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray. It works amazing. You need to go out and get this as well. And yeah, we are done. Great job, everybody. Great job, friends. And here's me being all weird. But thanks for watching. Bye!